Hi, pal.
Good afternoon, how are we?
Shitting it.
Yeah, we were alright.
You'll be fine, you'll be fine. Right, nice and slowly. This is your first time, is it?
Yeah.
Right. Keep to the left-hand lane.
Yeah.
Okay, the main reason being we've had this side filled in overnight and it's still very soft.
Okay.
Okay.
So quite close to that bit.
Yeah, quite close. Literally, you can see where the wet sand's coming up. That's where you want to be.
Okay.
Just about 6 foot from the top, there's 2 little holes appearing.
Okay.
Can you see them? The little dips. Keep the revs on, but if you start spinning, just let off the pedal a little bit, and it's enough that it can just get you over the top.
Okay.
Okay. Second low if you're manual. Yeah, lovely. I'm afraid that's all I can tell you.
Just give it the beans.
Go and enjoy yourself. Not too much like he did. No.
Okay, he was too much.
The lad before was miles too much.
Okay.
What about the diff lock? Should that be off?
You ain't got it in. Put your diff lock in. Come on. If it works.
I don't know if the light don't come on, so yeah, you do it up because you got it before.
That's it.
Is that it?
Yeah, see how it goes.
Okay, mate.
So don't panic because I'll hold these back if you want to do a roll down.
Okay, mate.
Right. To the left up. Okay, now. What you got is into it. That's it. Keep going like that. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, you got it easy, dog. Easy. That wasn't as bad as that fucking bit.
Diff locks, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the diff lock, innit? Smashing it there. That was steep, you know, though.
Steady that was.
That was
steady away.
Steep that. Fucking hell, what's going on here?
Your car's going to be fucked.
It's only for going to work and back in it.
It's only for walking the dogs.
Jeez.
Where am I going now?
Left up, left, full left. Bang it right now. Don't worry about the trees. Now. Well, we ain't got to go down that hill, are we?
Do you want to go?
No, I do fucking not.
No, you're not.
No.
For a tenner?
No, don't.
Get a drink and have a fan now.
I think I've had enough for one day. I'm sweating.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, smashing, innit?
Oh, down the way now, don't.
No way, don't.
Down the way.
Oh, this is the bit that gets me. I feel funny.
Get this on video.
Oh, fuck, it's recording.
This is the funny bit. Do you want me to drive and record?
Fuck off! You better ask for instruction here, duck. Oh, no way.
First, and it's got to be first.
Oh, I feel sick.
Guys, diff locks in, first gear.
Good man.
Yep.
Big sigh relief.
Off the pedals.
Yeah, definitely.
Off the brake as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Feed it over.
Yeah.
And come off everything.
Alright, mate.
Oh, shit.
I can't even see.
Let go of all your stuff.
Look at that.
That's amazing,
Get a
isn't it?
thumbs up, Dot.
Whoa!